Hi guys, this is Inang Reyna. Don't forget to click, like, shares, and subscribes. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Inang Reyna. Welcome back to my channel. Our scratch card for today is called Holiday Riches. So let's begin. Scratch number 1. Let's scratch it. Our numbers. 32. Okay, our numbers are 32, 25, 1, 27, and 11. So let's start our numbers. 24, 29, 27. Oh my god, we got 27. 18. Did you see that, guys? 27. Next row. 28. 20. 19. 30. 2. 23, 3, and 21. So guys, we got 27 and 27. So let's reveal how much the winning number. Dun, 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 dun. $10. Congratulations, Inang Reyna. You did it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Till next scratch card. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click, like, subscribe, and share.